Sometimes you have to change both bases in order to solve an equation. Solve and check using either substitution or graphing calculator. Okay? We're gonna just do substitution for now. We're gonna talk about graphing them tomorrow. Okay, for example, let's do the first one together. Okay, 4 as a base, will it ever give you 32? 4 as a base, will it ever give you 32? No? Okay. Will 2 as a base give you 32? Yes. So, and can I easily say, okay, well, I know that 4 is actually 2 squared. And I know that 2 to the exponent 5 is 32. Everyone agrees with that? You don't agree with it, Steve?
No.
Okay. All right, so I get 2 to the exponent 6p plus 2 equals 2 to the exponent 5. My bases are the same, so I can drop them. And I'm going to go 6p plus 2 equals 5. Okay, I'm going to move that 2 over. Now to get p by itself, I need to divide both sides by 6. Chris, can you get off your phone, please?
I'm listening though.
I know, but if you don't want to be here and you just want to hang out on your phone, then that's okay. See you later. And I'm just okay, but it's still distracting to me. Okay, so just respect me enough to not distract me. Okay, that's all I'm asking for. Okay, so p equals 1/3. Okay, now, we're just going to check it on our graphing calculator, okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go 4 to the exponent, bracket, 3 times, bracket 1/3, plus 1, close the bracket, do that question wrong somewhere. Three. Okay. Oh, I feel like this is wrong. Because if I'm just going to do the check on the board, okay, because I don't have enough space there. So, oh, sorry, because obviously I'm trying to get to 32. Does everybody agree with that? This becomes 3/3, which is 1 plus 1. So 4 squared. And 4 squared is 16. So where did we get wrong? 2 to the exponent 2 is 4. 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times 1 is 2. Anyone see a math mistake that I can't see? Okay, we'll come back to this one because I'm not going to waste time. I just need to look at it. 2 to the exponent 2 is 4. We're good. 2 to the exponent 5 is 32. We're good. Okay, we'll come back to it. I don't know what I'm missing. We'll come back. Okay? No one sees a math mistake, do they? Did I like added something wrong or anything like that? Ah, 1/2. 1/3. You guys are supposed to be helping me on this Monday morning. Helping me. That makes a difference. Because that'll change it to 3 over 2. So it'll be 3 divided by 2 plus 1. 4 to the exponent 2.5 will give me, yeah, we're good. Okay, we're good. Sorry. Next, let's try again.
Why is it 1/2?
Because 3 divided by 6 is a half.
Okay.
It's 0.5, no, a third, I don't know. Okay. 4 to the exponent 2 gives us, 2 to the exponent 2 gives us 4, and 2 to the exponent 3 gives us 8, right? So we're going to change here our base. So it's going to be 2 to the exponent 2 equals 2 to the exponent 3. Because I don't have 4 to a whole number does not give me 8, so I need to make both sides smaller.
So you're trying to get
Right here?
Oh, I didn't see
Chris, I can still tell you on the phone. I'm not an idiot.
I'm already on the practice.
Okay, I don't care. Okay, I'm going to actually move the 18K over because it's negative. I want to make it positive. Because it's the biggest number. And again, I won't make us check this because I'll probably, maybe after break even, we'll use our graphic calculators and I'll show you how to do it. Okay, and the last one. Three cubed gives me 27. And 3 squared gives me 9. Am I going too fast or it makes sense? Tomorrow, speaking, it's making sense?
Going a little too fast.
Okay.
But
No, I just want to.
yes.
Okay, so I said that 3 cubed was 27, and then I have to keep the existing exponent, so it's going to be 3 bracket x plus 2 bracket. And I know that 3 squared is equal to 9, so now it becomes 3 squared bracket 4x, because those exponents need to be multiplied. Which gives me 3 to the exponent 3x plus 6 equals 3 to the exponent 8x. Okay? My bases are the same, so I can drop my exponents, and then set the two exponents equal once I drop the bases, excuse me. Okay? I'm going to actually move the 3 on this side, pardon? Oh, okay. I'm going to move the 3 because 8 is positive, and I want to try to keep my x positive, okay? You always want to try to keep your x positive if possible. So, 5x, divide both sides by 5. So x equals, and we're just going to leave it at 6 over 5, okay? I'll leave it at 6 over 5. Okay, these are as hard as they get. These 1, 2, 3 are as hard as they get, these questions, okay? Because there's so many steps to them. Okay, sometimes they throw a question like this at you. Solve it together. So this isn't a problem because we know about negative exponents, right? So 1 over 5. What's 5's exponent even though we don't see it? 1. There's a 1 here. It's a positive, right? Usually we're trying to get rid of a negative, right? But could I bring it up to the numerator and make it negative? Yeah. Yes, so the exponent. So I get this equals, now it's going to be 5 to the negative 1 over 1. Because I just flipped it. It was positive, so it's now become negative. I'm going the opposite of what I've taught you to do, right? Because before we didn't want a negative, but now it doesn't matter. Okay, I don't need this 1 on the bottom. I'm just, again, rewriting it for people who are not here today. Are my bases the same? Yep. So because my bases are the same, I can drop them and set my exponents equal. I want to get x by itself, so what I'm going to do is just divide both sides by 4. So x equals negative 1 over 4, and I'm done. Okay, so this actually has way fewer steps than the last questions, right? All you need to do is say, oh yeah, I remember, I can bring it back up and it'll make it negative, and you're good to go. Okay? All right, question 8 from your upcoming worksheet is a word problem solving bacteria growth. When you get to it, read it slowly and be careful, and you will be fine, okay? So this is a note because every single time you guys get to question 8, no one reads it. Who was it yesterday? Or did you? Steven said the other day, he's like, oh, I don't ever read math questions. Read it. You have to read it twice before you ask me. That's going to be the rule. I have no problem helping, but you need to read it word for word twice before you ask me. Fair? Okay, and we're done. So that's the last lesson for this